tonight, people. Of course, Michael Williams. Apart from the regular Outside Lounge Friday, we're having a watch party tonight, the New York Knicks, in the finals of the NBA. Game 2.
New York Nets, you say no? New York Nets. You said the New York Nets.
Knicks. I didn't say New York Nets. There's no such team named New York Nets. So we have the watch party, to enjoy ourselves. Showing respect to the Knicks.
Knicks all the way.
Yeah, no doubt.
Orange and blue.
The blue skies all the way, right?
What you say?
Knicks all the way. All the way.
How are you say? Huh?
Everything is good.
What you say about the Knicks?
Knicks in 4.
All the way?
All right. Yes.
Well, in 4?
In 4.
4. I'm with you on that one. What you say about the Knicks? How many games?
We're gonna win 5 wins.
5?
Yes.
With it to 5.
Yes.
Colin, what you say about the Knicks? How many games?
Wrong guy. Not a sport fan.
Wrong guy.
Not a sport fan.
What you say about the Knicks? How many games? 4? 4-0. Wow. John, what you say about the Knicks? 4-0?
Huh?
4-0 for the Knicks? What you say?
Sweep?
Sweep. You think sweep? No?
That's crueltiness, man. They're probably gonna win in 6.
6?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
That's crueltiness. Very cruel. Sweeping is not good. Stop it.
Sweeping is cruelty.
It's cruelty, man. Yeah, the arena have to make some money too. You don't just want one side making the money. That's it.
I get it. Thank you.
I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Yeah.
DC, we know what them song.
We know what them. These songs are classic songs. That when about 20 years ago when I was a young lad, I got to know them. 20 years ago when I was a young lad, I got to know them. So when you were asking me, oh, I know them, I learned them from a young age 20 years ago. So I'm good.
Hold on, family. We know what them song is.
Oh, absolutely. Music. Mellow.
Remind me of Sunday in Jamaica.
Hey. Sunday. Yep. Sunday afternoon, yeah?
Put your right up after.
How's the team doing?
Oh, they're doing great. They are doing fantastic.
Don't you feel better now?
You call me? Huh?
You feel better now, right?
Yeah, because they're
But that first quarter, you couldn't, all that excitement, you don't need that.
No, I believe in the Knicks. I believe in the Knicks. She just sent you the pictures. I didn't look at my phone.
Yes, we got to run the other week, but he never told me about Falcon ride. We come back Thursday night last night. Yeah, man.
Out in the West Texas town of El Paso, I fell in love with a Mexican girl. Nighttime would find me in Rose's Cantina. Music would play and Felina would whirl. Blacker than night were the eyes of Felina, wicked and evil while casting a spell. My love was deep for this Mexican maiden. I was in love, but in vain I could tell.
You know what I'm
Night
saying?
a wild young cowboy came
Okay,
wild as the
I'm
West
TC's brother.
Texas wind.
Before you heard from TC, brother, this is TC now. When I was a young lad, 50 years ago, I heard these songs. My brother is like 30 years younger than me. And I got to realize these songs from then. Although I'm from uptown here in Jamaica, I used to listen to a lot of country western and stuff. My parents were like, and we're good, and they're embedded in my mind. These are great songs, they're historical songs. Nettie, from DJ Nettie, also is familiar with this song.
You know what he sang?
Yes, yes. DJ Nettie. This is Marty Robbins, El Paso. The song is called El Paso. Marty Robinson. Yeah, man.
Big song.
Yes.
You heard the voice from the historian. The real historian, it says attack everything. I mean, think it was an El Paso Rio missing it.
In my heart forever. We could start new.
And nobody calls you on the phone. Or don't you feel like a crying?
No.
Don't you feel like
No.
well, here I am, honey. Come on, you're crying. When you're all alone in your lonely room, and there's nothing but the smell of her perfume. Don't you feel like I'm crying? Don't you feel like crying? Don't you feel like I'm crying? Come on, crying. What can I say? In a glass of wine alone. Loneliness, such a waste of time. You don't you see,
Make you want to dance, huh?
come on, take my hand, baby, won't you walk with me? Oh, yeah.
Giving all your love to just one man. Oh yeah. You'd have bad times.
My daddy loves steady me.
He'd have good times. Things that you don't
Let's go, Knicks.
How the game going, Lance?
10 points up. Going on the 20.
You happy? You happy with the results so far?
All in happiness.
Okay. How about you?
Bring out the broom. Sweep them.
Clean sweep.
Bring out the broom. Time to clean house.
How you stay? Where you think?
Good, good, man.
Where you think it's gonna go?
Two up to them, man. Two up.
Clean sweep.
Sweep. Broom we are use. Broom.
Hello.
If I could feel her warm embrace, see her smiling face, can't find anyone to take her place. I've got to see her again. I would do anything. I would go anywhere. There's nothing I wouldn't do just to see her again.
I wanna pretend like I don't see me come over here. I wanna pretend like I don't see me come over here.
There you go, my brother. On the 27th, Hollywood leads to Dumpling Cove, Rosy French accommodation, fish fry. It's gonna be a big thing. All the food you can eat. We're not stingy when it comes to food.
Please allow the Knicks playing tonight, brother.
Yeah, well, you know, our quarter is the fourth quarter, so we're looking forward to light some fire in the place in San Antonio, because the aim is we don't want to go back to San Antonio, and the only way that's going to happen is to win this one. And then come back to New York, clean sweep. I have my broom ready. Well, I just bought it at Home Depot. My broom is ready to go. Clean sweep.
So here I'm asking now.
Yes, sir.
Is this the first time the outside lounge is hosting a watch party?
Yes, and I'm very pleased with the response so far. Very pleased. And we're also gonna have June 19th. It's also a Knicks game night.
Yes.
Yeah, Juneteenth, and we're gonna be right here. That's gonna be the suite.
Right,
so there you go.
Are you pleased with the pace and outcome?
Hey, nice, my brother.
Look like we're going clear.
Well, we're into the fourth quarter leading, which is a big thing. As you know, this has been a test, a big test. And like we say, if we take it in this one, it's over. You can come to the noisy and the most vicious minds.
They're going to send the National Guard for New York City. New York City going to march down.
This is great. It's good to be alive to see this.
Police in helicopter, I search the marijuana. Policemen in the street, searching for Cali weed. Soldiers in the field, burning the Cali weed. If you continue to burn up the road, we're gonna burn down the place. If you continue to burn up the road,
hey. A long time Jamaican DJ, a bad man, you know, yeah? Brother can't feel a bad man, you know?
Of course.
A long time Jamaican
Rebels.
a bad man.
What you know about country?
I don't know about country. I don't.
You gotta watch that.
man.
Yeah, one shot.
Yeah, huh?
It's 2 weeks.
Alright. Hopefully it's 2-0.
They tell you where you have to
Clean sweep. Clean sweep.
I don't know yet.
After this, it might be a
Hold on.
I'm your lipstick guy here, so you're right, man. I'm in
Let's go! Get the rebound! That's it! Pull it! Get it back! That's it! Hustle it! That's it! That's what I'm doing! That's what I'm Respect got a midnight shift. What's up? How are you? Everything's good. So nice to see you. Everything's good. All right, did it. Nice to see you. Pass the ball, man. Right. Stop dribbling the damn ball. Move the ball. They're not moving the ball. They're dribbling too much. Let's go. Move the ball. Stop dribbling. Oh! Pass the ball, man. You're dribbling too much. Right. Yes.
What they say.
Yes.
I don't know why. I don't know. Oh, why won't you come home? Tell me that you love me tonight. Why
won't you please tell me,
Tech Soun.
I know myself.
Well, easy man. This one from my mother, my father, my sister, my cousin, my niece. We they come from California, down in Los Angeles. Easy. Everything full of us all I bring. You know. You know.
Roll out. Roll out.
Say me can't take me mother-in-law. You say me can't take me mother-in-law. She give me dumpling and the inside raw.
Roll out.
Yeah man. Respect my mother, my father, my cousin, my brother. And to my niece. You could come from California, or the place for Los Angeles. Get over. Get the volume. Me say me can't take me mother-in-law. I tell you say me can't take me mother-in-law. The man me say I'm off me one partner draw. She give me dumpling and the inside raw. Say don't go one foot and me say don't go four. I tell you when you see the eagle in my claw. Say white man I eat up them up when it's raw. The food where me love a great soup and papa. I tell you say me can't take me mother-in-law. Me say me can't take me mother-in-law.
Yeah. I'm find out now. Coming down to the wire, always stay, look.
We're nice man. Next, I'm very proud of my team, and my team is doing good.
My God, before
My team also allowed me to win one bet earlier this week, and I'm going to win another bet tonight.
My God.
Yes, sir.
People say he's a wagonist, and I just know you follow the Knicks.
I'm joking them, man. Tell them to come talk to me. Tell them to come talk to me. When I left my New York team, man.
Them say he does a jump on the wagon now.
Tell them to come talk to me. Tell them to come chat to me.
Yes, he did.
A lady what does it say in a wagonist, and I just know you run behind the Knicks.
Who said that?
A lady what does it say?
I like Sheffield.
Yeah. Where's the years?
Huh?
Years.
I chew know how they roof them bus and on your ass. You want to whip them? Me never forgot 1999.
Yeah. Revenge. Revenge.
That me a say. I need you so much, I'm happy.
So Tech Soun, turn up loud.
My pillows are wet from the tears I cry. You got to come back. Now when you with them, they're going to see Michael's room.
Okay, I'll sleep it down.
They're putting the room anywhere to get it. I can't get you off.
That's on your
She didn't better die.
That's Ajama, watch this now. You ready? I leave them with us and say the wagonist. I leave them with us and say the wagonist, and you just run behind the Knicks now because them are win. I leave them with us and tell them about you. What do you want to tell her?
To each his own.
You're not defending it?
No, I don't have to. I know what I know.
Both of them.
That's my daughter.
Your daughter? Look like sisters.
That's her daughter?
That's her baby. That's my grandson. Yeah.
Look like sisters.
Yeah, my daughter.
You never give me the right response tonight. Supposed to say a long time I support the Knicks.
It's okay.
She bring her lucky charm tonight. I mean the Knicks are away.
I guess so.
Look, you see that? Hold on. You see that dog? Yeah. I don't want to see no 90s. Come on, the 90s. Come on, the 90s. I'm about to say, oh, you looking good on that club right there. Decent right there. But seriously though, all them small, and the best 7 foot over. Yeah. But really though, I love the cheese. You need to be out. Now look at you, Jack. Look at you, Jack. I need to be out the 90s. On the 100. I say,
stop the passing in the fire, darling.
Turn over the
Stop the passing in the fire.
Here they are.
Want a cup of you? I'm going to buy you a cup of soup.
like a couple of good?
I got one already, thank you. Debbie, have you on camera being kind to me?
Really?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
He's a lady, Judy. Lord. Balance girl. Show them how it goes. Balance. Balance girl.
I want to say big people
Balance.
things,
Big
right?
people things. Big people business. Yes. Yes. Look at young girl. Hold on. Look at the young girl are doing outside now. Look at young girl and look at young girl.
And I used to play ball.
You have to breathe. If you want my loving, and if you want my true loving, if you want my squeezing, if you want my loving, tell me that you love, love. Tell me that you love. It is opening your heart for me.
Do you take this man for your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
And do you take this lady for your lawful wife?
Yes, I do. Getting married in the morning. Ding dong, you hear the church bell ringing.
She had me yellow baby, but I'm gonna marry. So take me to the church on time.
Hear me now.
Say if you think I'm sexy, your little girl reach out and touch me. If you really need me, your little girl reach out and tell me. Give me your loving, give me your loving. Don't forget about the all-night squeezing. Don't forget about the all-night teasing.
Worries in the dance, worries tonight.
it. Stop doing back.
Foul, bro. It's a foul. It's not a foul. It's a foul.
That's bullshit.
Come on, nigga. That's a bullshit. That's a foul.
That's a fucking fight.
That's a foul, bro.
Challenge the card.
That's a foul.
Challenge the card.
That's a foul.
That's a bullshit.
That's a big time foul, brother. Watch out. Boom. That's a foul. Foul, bro. That's a foul.
Big challenge, yo.
Foul.
Watch that rest of one.
That's a foul. Challenge it. Challenge it, stop that.
So I don't wanna in life. I want to go back to my terminal skipper. I want to go back home. Give it to me. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Give it to me. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop.
I can't do whatever I want to do.
You're not in fine. Feels alright. Champagne and candlelight. The way you hold me tight. Girl, I can fight this feeling. Alright. Woman, you're nice. Mine on your face is like you're right up on the line. When you can't wait to give you everything you like. Hope you from the day your Christmas night. I guarantee that in the sun is where you'll be your paper way to go. And to make my things so till the little one to go. I'm the lucky star, I can't believe I found the door. I'm the man that's got you on the door. From it and walking up me on the door. The way you make me feel, I'm feeling in my soul. I'm losing all control. Girl, I can find this feeling. It feels alright. Champagne and candlelight. The way you hold me tight.
This is important.
Down. When it was in Toronto, yeah.
Oh, my God.
Mr. Akita, DC.
Alright, okay. There you go. Sorry.
And that's it. All they gotta do is even just score one. It doesn't matter.
And drop the basket. Drop it. Everybody stand up, dog. You can't stop that.
The Knicks now move.
Everybody stand up one, bro.
No, stop talking bad about the team, man.
No, but they tell you what I'm
Well, I'm here, son.
Watching on them.
I'm done there, my dear. All team, all game. Game on is overtime. Let's go.
Take it out there, Arnold. Take it out there, Arnold.
Let's go.
boys girl be tricky tricky. Lord of His mercy. Spanish stuffy girl we tricky tricky. Spanish stuffy girl we licky licky. Spanish stuffy girl we tricky tricky. Spanish stuffy girl we licky licky. No licky licky girl, 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 no licky licky girl. We not lose girl, we think that we say. Also see, when she don't love the man, you want to buy a brandy. The first time she lick a liquor from me, in the pocket for the virgin cherry. I drop in the liquor, make she drink it, you see. And as I saw she drink it, but she feel all she says. You don't give back, I go down the belly.
One up, one up.
Right behind. I'm holding. Lay the head up. Lay the head up. Lay the head up.
Hey, darling. Yes, bring it home, baby. Yes, yes, yes.
Get them on their feet. Get them on their feet. I'm not gonna miss it though. Miss it. Where's it, Knicks? Oh yeah, miss it. No, you have to be sure. Score the goal. Better sure than unsure. No. Make it. Oh! 7.5 seconds. You jinx the man enough. 3 points I know. Hey, you're done. You must set up a 3 points and you're done. What's the prediction? I don't even get it, you know. What's the prediction?
I hope it goes into overtime.
What's the prediction?
What's my prediction? Knicks, man. Knicks. Come on. Watch for the 3 points.
Yeah?
Knicks.
You see what? When it's 3 points, I want you to go get me a rum punch. Watch this. Watch the 3 points. We're looking out for it.
Anybody know the Uber man? Quick call and quick.
What kind of bad game, man? Y'all get the big money enough time.
Go, go!
Everybody quiet now. One second, please. Everybody quiet.
No. Really wide now.
Everybody quiet now.
Why?
We were prepared for this. Everybody quiet. Everybody quiet.
It's a Spurs man.
Everyone's quiet. So take play it. Play it something.
Let's take it back to the garden, loud and proud. Hey, little Ryan, Captain, leading the charge, Mitchell Robinson, dominant in the paint.
Hallelujah, I picture son. Only never knew it.
We can assist like it ain't hard. I got the shots and the spotlight. Next we're on the road. Got the energy, got the fire in our
This song was made for the Knicks, and I never realized it. Listen to the lyrics.
Knicks Nation, stand up.
You know, I can't draw it up. I didn't mind. This was made.
Yes.
Hold on. Hold on, Bob. Yeah. You love it?
Love it, my brother. The book is loose.
Yeah, it's a close one, but it's a good one.
Good one. A close call.
You know why? Because everybody had to sit down and watch the game until the end. That's what makes this one good. Because Spike.
Close call.
Michael Williams.
Our God family. Big up.
Michael Williams. Turn the TV off now.